This 60-second routine can make you look fit and feel unstoppable, instantly grabbing attention and boosting energy. First, hold a solid plank for 30 seconds, then switch to air squats, keeping your chest up and glutes engaged. Next, power through burpees or push-up variations, finishing each rep with a tight core and explosive hip drive. Can you do this every day, gradually increasing reps and sharing progress to inspire others? Subscribe now for more actionable tips, rapid workouts, and weekly motivation to crush your fitness goals.